Hey guys, it's me here, and as you can see today, we're testing this thing. It's the ESC Genesis speaker strobe. So the horn strobe, it looks very similar to this, but it's a speaker strobe. Let me show you the differences. A little guy running away from the fire, a little person running away from the fire. This one has fire lettering. This one has fire lettering, and this one doesn't. See, I'll actually show you how to wire them up after this video is over. So this is a speaker strobe. It doesn't do a like you're used to. It does a voice evac like this. Just voice evac like this, like I got my iPad. Sorry, that's the full section. And this is an Edwards speaker strobe, ESC Genesis. I'm actually going to rest this right here. Put these right here. Now we're going to test the strobe of the alarm. See, I have it wired up to the strobe only. So I'm actually going to flip. I've got hooked up to my Simplex T-bar. So I just pull the alarm, and we're going to turn this on. Which, I'm going to give you a lights off demonstration. As you can see while I do that, I'm wearing earplugs today because I haven't tested this alarm yet. It's super loud. I guess I'll just get my phone. This is my background. This is my speaker strobe going off with the lights off. Now we're actually gonna set that right there. And we're gonna turn on the light. I'm actually gonna leave the door open. For dim is because you know with the lights off it gets a little too dim. Just my dad texted me. Reset the pull station. And off. Let's turn this on, and speaker doesn't work. The speaker doesn't work. I'm kinda sorry it doesn't work because I don't have it hooked up to a speaker. It's just a good old pull station. Now let me show you a comparison with the ESC Genesis horn strobe. I'm sorry you guys wanted to see this, but if you want a voice evac, I'll put a link to it in the description. If you want a video how to wire up to a speaker strobe, link in the description also. Now it's hooked up to my Edwards Genesis horn strobe. So let's say this is more used. It's just a remote strobe. It's just a remote strobe, as you can see here. Just like now, I have my Gentex Commander 3, fire. And I got a Commander 3. Oops, so I was watching and check my dad's text. I got a little off track. So, let's say there's a firelight system in the building. For example, I have a Simplex T-bar. Because I don't have a Honeywell pull station, I'll probably get one for Christmas. So, here we go. Now, somebody pulled it. Now we wait a few minutes. on. Right now the Commander 3 is going. Now it's going to be open. Now we're just going to flip a switch, flip the lights out. Looks like with the lights off. This is what your setup will look like with the lights off. Now let's flip them back on, like, I wish I would film right on the floor. Except, that's not smart, I have to film on a table. It's gonna wreck the apartment floors. It's gonna wreck the apartment floors, and the apartment landlord will not like it. So I'll see you after this pole station is reset. I'm really sorry, this is pulled on the power plug. So you pull the alarm and just give it a close second in. Whoop again. Whoop again. Hey guys, it's me here, and right now I actually have it on chime. So let's say we're in a hospital and somebody pulls the alarm again. This is, let's say there's a fire light system in there. I have to like hold this and it's on. Just turn this off. Like, let's hear what it's like when I take off my earplugs. I'm going to show you my earplugs. Here are my earplugs. Like, let's just turn this off. I did the hospital and some other building. Now, right now I have this on horn, which is commonly used in coffee shops, small hotels, movie theaters. Dang it. This alarm is like used in movie theaters, tall buildings, company buildings, and large schools like my high school has. Except the reason why I want one of these is because we have these Man Julie's work in Texas. We have this is actually used in restaurants, hotels, small hotels, and schools, small schools, and restaurants, and phone stores, and typically used outside a speaker strobe building. So, let's say we have a fire light system in the building again. So, let's say we're in a coffee shop this time. Just turn this on. This is horn. Set this. Like, maybe just on one of these because we have these in my local McDonald's. I have these in my local McDonald's. Hey, what's up guys? Now I have this set on code 3 tone. So let's say this actually used the same ones as I said in the horn one. So let's do this. So I have to hold with this. I don't want to leave this hanging. This is on tone. And so let's actually, I'll see when I get this fire alarm hooked up and have the system put away. Testing this one. Now, the Gentex Commander 3. So, takes me a little bit. you slaps off, sets aside. You just pull it to the side, takes this off. If it's remote strips, it's just fire. So, the next video I'm going to explain why I wanted one of these. And why I wanted one of these. And why I wanted one of these. You're going to see it in the next video. So, I'll see you when my Commander 3 is hooked up.